Before you upload another file or any docs to Google Drive, watch this first. It will save you a lot of hours later. Google Drive, and click on this plus sign right here to create a new folder. If you are using your mobile phone, this plus sign will appear right here at the bottom right corner. Okay, so click on it and select new folder. Yours might show create a new folder using your mobile phone. Okay, so select new folder and name it according to what you want the folder for. Okay, so let's say I will be naming this one as business docs. Okay, so all my documents from my business, I would love to move them into this folder that I just created. Now click on create. Okay, once you've done that, then it will appear right here. Now click on it and change the color using this drop down arrow right here. Click on it, scroll down till you get to organize. Okay, once you click on organize, just hover on top of organize, then the colors will appear right here. Okay, now select anyone to change the color. Okay, so I'll take that purple to change the color. Okay, so that is how you can create more folders for your work, separate folders for work, school, photos, personal files, to keep everything organized in your Google Drive. Okay, so that is how you can also move your files into them. You can also upload files into this folder. So let's say I want to upload a file into this folder that I just created. Now I will click on file upload. Once I do, then I will just hit on this photo right here or image and click on open. Then it will upload just like this, and it will appear right here under this folder. Okay, so that's how you create a folder and move your documentations, your files, every other personal details into a folder. Okay, so that is it. Your Google Drive is now much cleaner and easier to navigate. In the next lesson, I will show you how to share files with anyone. Okay, I'll be showing you how to share a file with your colleagues, family, and workmates or friends, just anyone. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the video, share it, tag others, and of course I'll see you on the next one. Bye.